welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I'm still trying to find a room in my house to film and a location in that room to film. So right now I'm in my dining room. We've turned it into a library. So I'm just in the corner because the window is creating too much light. So anyway, what are we here for? We are here to unbox the February Boxycharm. Now, Boxycharm has in the past always been my favorite subscription box. It is my only one now aside from Ipsy that I get. I think that they raised the prices. I think it's $28 a month US. So it's getting quite expensive, but you are supposed to get over, I think, $100 worth of items. So let's see what we get and if we love it or not. I think I got to choose one item out of this box. So let's see. Right, so this is what it looks like when we first open it. So the theme of this month's box for February is Be My Glamentine. And on the back of this card, it will tell us the value of all of our products. A Boxycharm is supposed to be all full-sized and usually get between 5 and 7 items. So let's dig in to this first. So this is from OPV Beauty London. It's not a brand I'm familiar with. And this is a loose setting powder in translucent. So it's a nice size, for sure. Well, the packaging would suggest anyways. So it is 30 grams or 1 ounce of product. Well, it's very nicely packaged. I love that rose gold coppery color. And yeah, it's just a loose setting powder. And then it's got a sticker over top to protect the product. But look, it's a lot of flashback on that for sure. But that's nice. You can always use setting powder. I don't wear a lot of foundation, like ever. But I do like putting this on my skin just to kind of take the shine down. So that was the first thing we got. Not a bad start. Next up, now this is why I don't wear my glasses. Well, other than the ring light. I don't like seeing what's inside, and I can't really see. So let's take this. What's this? The box won't close. This is from Context. Oh, so I just opened my Ipsy, and I also got a Context lipstick in there as well. So this is a matte lipstick in the shade Tears Are Falling. Oh, well, you don't want that. And did I say matte? It's a matte lipstick. So that is the packaging. And then the color, I'm actually wearing the Context color we got in that bag. Oh, so that's a really nice, like deeper brownish pink. That'd be good for the fall, actually. Let's just do a swatch. That's a really nice color. Let me see. Let me get out that other one that I got in my last box. The one I got just in the February Ipsy, and it is running free. So just to do a side-by-side comparison, it's nice because they're both different. One's much deeper. And let's try this. Which one's which? Let's try it out, the new one that we got in the box. Taking off my lipstick, and we're going to try this one out and see how we like it. It's got a nice coconut smell. I like this. Definitely a shade I would wear for sure. Let's just wipe that off. So that is item number 2. Next up, what's this little box? It looks like it's from, nope, it's not. So this is from Saturday Skin. It is a Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. Oh, I love a good eye cream. An exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. It won't open. So this is 15 mils or 0.5 fluid ounces. And that's really cute. You know, I like my colored skincare products because I like to put them in color order according to Roy G. Biv on my makeup shelf, my skincare shelf. And I don't have a lot of yellow products. It doesn't really have a scent, but that is a good, decent amount of eye cream for sure. I do only have one other thing from Saturday Skin, and it is like a water cream, and I really like it because it makes my skin a little tacky. So it's good if I do want to put on foundation. It helps to like stick that to my face. Next up, we have this from Bali Balm, a pineapple lip scrub. Ooh, I love pineapple. The smell of pineapple, I love the taste of pineapple. So this is 15 mils. It's a very cute green tropical packaging. And then that is the amount of product. So it's filled right up to the top there. And we're just gonna, oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells like a tropical. And you see how gritty that is? Not really, but it is nice and gritty. So that'll be good for sloughing off the dead skin off your lips at the end of every day or throughout the day, especially in the winter time when it's so dry. Last thing we have is from Alley Oop, and it is a MultiTasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. So we didn't get any like eyeshadows. That's weird. We usually get like a palette of some sort. So 4-in-1. Oh, cool. So meet the secret weapon that lightens yours toolkit. 1 tool for essential face brushes. You have a powder / contour, a blending sponge, a medium shadow brush, and an angled brow / liner brush. I can never get into it. Oh, it's a nice color. Oh my. So this side, oh, it's very soft. This side we've got the powder contour brush. We've got our sponge. And then you twist to open, and there's your angled liner brush. And then on this side, there is your eyeshadow brush. So that's a really cool idea, especially if you are traveling. Then you just take this. You don't have to take all your makeup brushes with you. I wonder how it will perform. Is it already... It's already scratched. You see that? That's a big old gouge. But other than that, it feels really soft. And that makeup tip is very sponge-like. Yeah, very soft. But that's a really cool concept. Curious to see how much that costs. So let's tally up the prices. Actually, first, let's pick our favorites, because I don't like to be persuaded by the price. I'm going to go with the lipstick because it's a really nice color for me. And then the pineapple lip scrub because it smells delicious. Then the eye cream. Then the brush. Then the translucent powder. So let's see what our price is at. And if we got for value, I always, it's nice that it's $100 or whatever dollars, but will I use it? That's where I get my value from. So the Saturday Skin Bright Eye Cream is $32, so that already paid for our box. The OPV Loose Setting Powder, $22. The Contact Skin Matte Lipstick, $20. The Alley Oop MultiTasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush, $28. And the Bali Balm, $23 for the lip scrub. So it's not bad. We definitely got our value. Let's just add it up and see how much, shall we? Okay, Google. What's 32 plus 22 plus 20 plus 28 plus 23?
The answer is 125.
Okay, so 125 bucks. So we definitely got our value, and I will use all of these products. So, yeah, not too shabby. That was February's Boxycharm unboxing. Not a bad box. I love this lipstick color, actually. I've decided I love it. But, I do love my eyeshadow palettes as well. Although I'd have too many now. Like, it feels like I have hundreds, but I probably only have like 60. Maybe not even that, but it feels overwhelming now. So I'm going to start getting rid of some. But yeah, that was the box. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you will show this video some love. Please give me some likes down below. You can click here to go to my channel to subscribe. And there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. And I hope you all have a great day. And thanks again for watching.